He bathi he mabhakabhaka kwenze njani, he mabhakabhaka kwenze njani. Yeah man, score it is 2-1, Orlando Pirates 1, and yile team bewedlane Marumo Gallants 2. It is a ladies first, which is crazy. Yeah. So first of all, before like we get to anything, I just like to say that I appreciate like the support to the people that have been like subscribing lately. I've been gaining like some double or triple of numbers about more than like before. So I really appreciate it. And umoya wam today uphansi because first of all it's like igame ayiphela ne. As much as like I'm a Khosi fan igame ayiphela, I felt ukuthi like ngizobe like disrespect every time angiza lana nginto ngifike like yabo ngihleka and stuff. So I was like nah, ngikhokha umoya nyana boma 15 minutes, let me get excited, and then after that I'm just gonna record a video. So yeah, first of all I just wanna speak ukuthi hey, we-hectic office arona la like umtshito ubani old the coach of Orlando Pirates. There's a lot right now abhekane nazo because first of all change with the squad ne, a lot, and I understand vele yabo coach perspective of view. I think it is a thing ukuthi like umjita, and you need, I don't wanna use man a wrong term, I need a correct term. I don't wanna use the you need guts, yeah, because you need guts vele yabo, it's like umjita, and I think it is a thing a pride kuye ukuthi like na akakwazi ukuthi ahlezi like the work yabo of the other coach vele yabo, akafuni kube akafuni lento leyo ukuthi kuthiwe na you see the same thing ayenzeka like uSundowns yabo, when other coaches came by yabo after like Pitso Mosimane, they were like nah, it is Pitso Mosimane's work yabo, but he was like I think it was a thing which imagine I changed like everything and then it becomes more better, it seems, and for somehow for me like I see it is kind of like better. Also like right now I'm just watching like AMA games with like a mindset of analyzing them, but they are somehow better. It is just a thing yoguthi, I don't know, I think they are unlikely, and ilento ukuthi maybe the new players are still gelling well, and then also pressure and stuff, and now it's gonna be difficult. So like it's gonna be difficult. So it is a thing ukuthi like amagathi vele yabo of like a coach ukuthi like I don't wanna do the same thing vele yabo as the other coach, ngiyindoda nami, I can't be doing the same thing. And then secondly, style of play sack. Into noticed today, but I think it was like the first game that I implemented style of play sack, which he just plays one rooted football. Uloguyale, because Madfika Lagumboga Zabo diagonal. And then after that, he was a trap, they lost the ball about like that. But because like because of the quality they have, they were able also like to rotate the ball well around, but it showed was like a coach instructed was like bantu ba very like basha like amanto ama diagonal by one rotate way about like sky football in helicopter or what, which is a little disappointment if I'm being honest from like the side of Orlando Pirates with like a Jalo. So with like the qualities of like the midfielders available they have, and yeah, it's gonna be a difficult show, and I don't wanna lie. For Bano Audi is it Audi or who? Yeah, the coach of Pirates is gonna be a difficult like show. I don't wanna lie, man. And so yeah, let me just get to the game available because now I'm just speaking about this interval is exclusive. On the game, my color Pirates created like many opportunities. Overall, actually, Pirates like got not created, got many opportunities, because let's talk about how many times did Marumo Gallants lost the ball. Like it is more than 10 times at this point, because like there was a time I was, even when I was watching with like Amagent, I was like, nah, Marumo Gallants somehow it is paid. It was like Baluza like a baller. Or I don't know, because the amount of okay, it is a thing which they are trying to build from the back, but Abeko like him Nandi. That's much about, but coach wabo, but the coach like Kamaru Mkala, I think he was confident, he believed to the boys about, which is something by Ames like can lose like him because Orlando Pirates they will give like a ball and then after that like out of the Plubagnese ball mahala and then you don't finish my chances. How many times Police won a ball? I don't know, like many times, which is crazy good about convince lama opportunities lezo. And yeah, let me see like something because right now I was like because mangipeleli pirate abo ngiphinde nginto ngafukazi vele that much abo. And then another thing, a police was denied into a penalty abo two times in a box by on one moment abo. But khona leli lento le hands and then also ukuthi like bayileve bamtripha vele yabo. So at the end of like 45 minutes, and then another thing that's actually happened, which like yeah, I'm a save from that guy Marubi, which like I was like maybe I'm niggas like man of the match or was, but in today's game, I don't know because like there were many players defensive like and Emarumo Gallant was standing still, and then another thing as the end yeah, of the first half available, Marumo Gallant they were just like losing a ball many times they failed to progress really it is Gabo. And which is crazy which like Bascore like that moment and in the latest of like image masters of Pale the latest minute available of Pale match it was the same thing they were failing all over same mistake they were making first half they did them second half. So and then also there was this guy Uban Marumoka Lance Uban Ntapo. Somehow I just liked like the way he was also like having confidence with taking my players yeah bro. And which is why vele abo babhile ibara umgalantsi like everybody I think like he is the coach vele wabo owanikeza vele into i-confidence vele yabo ukuthi like to continue take ama-player continue to build vele yabo same method ningabi discouraged because you've lost the ball many times and stuff, which was why somehow nakwi-middle field yabo even though Nhlapo was outstanding, which is somebody I would say Bengamne's man of the match, but already as I said I don't know kule game le ukuthi who was an outstanding player from like both sides. So let's just give it to our fans and appreciate us vele yabo umuntu ababhekilelayo. And yeah, I think lo muntu abamnikezile man of the match. Shout out to him. So as I was saying vele yabo ukuthi like iMarumo Gallants they're trying really to build available to the, from the back and losing a ball multiple times. Then Perez, I convinced Hanga, and then Perez was robbed also. So yeah, and another thing was like about why robbed at the beginning like of the season. I hope this season like I'm officiators like they gonna do better. And yeah, man, another thing I just wanna speak about like starting lineup. Most of my friends like Upagania they were met about Subano Radio Pale, and then there's also that number two yabo low apparently like who was supposed to replace Velumonya and available. I I don't know which like Nandi or it is a thing which was begadla like NFT because I think I was playing for Ibaroka or it is a thing which pressure or is still adjusting. I don't know. But like if like it's not improving or like bamfakeleni player baphinde bring up some other time, nah the coach wouldn't be like doing a favor for him. And yeah, on these difficult times, okay, I just wanna say I'm enjoying them because I'm kind of pissing a lot of ways about Parani, but it is sad somehow because like Santos may just like take like it and then and for me like Parani the way like they play available they are the best but team carrying the way Vele they play, Vele they rotate Vele ball and but today I was kind of disappointed also like the one rotate type of football, but also it goes about how you play your game. So yeah, let me see which like ayikho like enye into enyele like nganta yabo. I talk about like ama savings keeper many times which were crazy, and then yeah, Marumo Gallants now had like an opportunity before like earlier missed. I had like an opportunity on one, and then there was a time I felt like Ipola Lele, Trupas Lele. I feel like to trapela line I don't know somehow, and we like share mama strikers like them that if I'm being honest. We just like our strikers. I think only Reynas, if I'm being honest, who's cool, calm and collected. Triple C, the rest, I don't know. So yeah, it is pretty much it from me. I hope you never Milan or you disagree, have your own opinion and your perspective. At the end of the day, it is the game of opinions. Keep supporting. I love you all. Danko. You see, guys, I don't like this thing of me like actually focusing a lot of times about Indian English. Another thing, I don't know if like it can be history or what, but people in future they gonna be like, maybe this question might be answered or what. I remember last year when the Orlando Pirates announced which like Rivera is he's actually leaving the club, and then there was a video that was actually circulating around about ukuthi unto of Pobe yabo. Pobe said in 2015 after Basta won the league yabo, he left. Uyele was like this other term about this thing needs a man to. Yeah, but he said this thing needs a man to. I don't wanna use this term here on the internet. This thing needs a man to. And after that, umjita masaba kulungisa CV yakhe wahamba, and then after that baba nale problem leyo ukuthi baba like ne traffic road. So it could be the same thing, but hopefully I